Hello Dgens, today we're gonna review some news that are shaking the Solana memecoin ecosystem. This guy is the advisor responsible for the launch of MELANIA, of Trump, of LIBRA. So recently, Voitzila made an interview with him where he sort of explained himself that the team sniped its own coin both in LIBRA and in MELANIA just because if he didn't snipe it, then another sniper would. And to some extent, he's completely right. There's snipers, even if you publish a token with no name, there's a MEV bot that is gonna automatically snipe as soon as you burn the liquidity. So he is also saying that Libra is not a complete rag because he's sitting on $100 million. And tomorrow there's an interview with Milei. So Milei is not talking particularly good in this interview.
Presidente.
Interesting. Where he's just saying that, he's just saying that he was trying to do the best and he just got a slap in the face. Interesting. Okay, and then if you wanna correlate to this, we see how yesterday, 17th of February, we saw that the interview was released and it probably spiked up. But then as soon as the interview of Milei was released again, we see that he's not talking good about Libra here probably. He says he pinned the tweet because there were rumors that he got hacked. And then after 30 seconds he decided to delete the tweet. He estimates only 5,000 people were affected. He says that this is a casino. And he said that he must put filters on what kind of people he surrounds himself with. Damn, interesting. Okay. On the other hand, okay, while we see that this guy in this interview is saying that Milei is still gonna support the project on this interview that just got released, so that was not true. He didn't end up backing it. It probably repercuted on the price as well. He's also saying he talks about linking to snipe callers and the ethics of sniping. Touching this point is what I said before. If you are not gonna snipe your own coin, someone else will, and it's gonna fuck your advantage. Link to the MELANIA launch. Fund strategies, and then whenever you dump on your holders, then there's either two options. You either refund through just giving USDT back, or you just inject the liquidity again into the coin. And now here he says that he has 100 million sitting still. He doesn't know what to do. Refunding investors. And yeah, overall he just says that every single coin is like this, and this is just one more coin, one more meme coin. He's done lots of coins like this, and he just wants to protect himself because who is to blame for this launch? Do you understand? Is it gonna be Milei or is it gonna be him? We don't really know. If we keep on reading on this news article, recently there's even more scandals on the Solana ecosystem. Literally yesterday. Yeah, here we see Monty, the founder of DeFi publicly announced via DeFi had refunded and severed all ties with Kelsier, an investor who had contributed 30,000 to the project on January 16th. So 1 year after, they refunded all that he invested. Interesting. Because of the revelation of Calcer's involvement in market manipulation, particularly in connection to these tokens. Interesting. Everyone tries to clean his hands from this guy. It looks like he's the one that is gonna be framed for this Libra. From their side. And then it was also revealed that the same founders from Jupiter are the same founders from Meteora. And here we see how DeFi is trying to get him work as a market maker by providing liquidity. So it would be liquidity providing market maker, where we adjust the two pairs. We adjust the percentage of both pairs depending on the market situation. It's not like buying and executing orders, it's more just providing liquidity and withdrawing. It's very interesting, honestly. So we will see what turn of events will follow this. It all looks like it's very. It looks like everyone is trying to frame this guy, and I would bet that this guy decided to be so open about it in an interview without even consulting for a lawyer, because he is admitting to lots of things, market manipulation and whatnot. And it looks like this interview is a bit to also save his ass, because I don't know if he really knows what's gonna happen. In my point of view, now I don't know what's gonna happen with Libra, because the president calls it a learning experience here. It's not backing the project, it's completely backing away. Probably his advisors told him that. But there's still 100 million liquidity he's sitting with, and he doesn't know what to do. So I bet he's gonna try his best to pump the token. Wow. Okay, I think that's probably enough to share. I am still processing this situation, because it's nothing shocking, honestly. Like, this happens every day with every coin. Every second there's a token launch that gets bundled by the same team. So it's nothing new for me, and then I already knew that the purpose of the market maker, this guy for instance, is to just protect the liquidity of the project and try to reinvest the profits into a stronger floor. Anyways, I think I will leave it here. I will link the interview in the comments. And yeah, thank you very much, guys.